What is up, guys? Today I'm with my friend Maya, and we are at an abandoned farmhouse. This place is actually pretty big for a farmhouse, but it's really overgrown too. It looks really cool from over here. I don't know any history of this place. I just saw it on the side of the road and I was like, yo, that looks cool. Oh, look at these floors. Oh, this is nice, actually. This must have been the family room. What does that say? You're dead.
Oh, it must have been a nice light.
Yeah, it has all the like details around it. The kitchen.
Well, they had a microwave, so this couldn't be too old.
It's like just a nice porch. Wow. Doesn't matter. This is so weird.
Really nice house.
This is nice. This is like a farm mansion. It actually is. Like, look at these stairs. This is nice. Oh, it goes up even more. Look at this bathroom over here. Someone took the bathtub out. I always love like the broken mirrors in places. What's this? Deodorant. Is this a closet?
Yes.
This is a nice closet. Don't the floor looks like it's about to fall in right there. There, that's better. Now you can see the face.
Nice house.
Oh, I wonder if there's a homeless person living in here. I mean, I doubt it, but maybe. That's actually crazy. Like the freaking plants are just going right through the window. All in the house.
Nature's taking over.
Yep. These stairs look cool. Or scary, actually. What the heck is up here? This is so weird. There's a lot of room up here. We just checked out the whole main level and the upper level of the house. Now it's time for the basement. It's dark and moldy.
Is there water?
Yeah. Oh, this is disgusting. Old TV. It's the only cool thing down here. Yeah, that was actually a pretty nice place. I was not expecting that. There's a garage or another little house over here that we're going to now, and we're gonna check that out.
If this was a farmhouse, there's a good chance this might be like if it's smaller, it might be like a slave.
A slave thing?
Yeah.
Possibly.
If it's old.
Yeah, it depends how old it is. This place looks freaking nasty. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, this place is pointless. This is disgusting. Oh, get me out of here. Oh. Found this little shack that's like insanely overgrown. This looks kind of cool. Strawberry field out there. They're growing strawberries here.
I love strawberries.
There's like a bunch of stuff in here. There's a fake tree right here. Oh, what? This is supposed to be like a set. This must have been something. There's like a cup. And look at this. That's like supposed to be like a building. Oh, that's it right there. Or that's part of it at least. That looks fancy.
It's a bunch of
Chickens in a cage. Me and Maya just finished exploring this place. It was actually super unique. I was not expecting it to be nice in there at all. If you guys like this type of content, make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.
'cause I was down.